and the rough. Far outside, Trippy's Secret breaks out well, heads out for the lead. Down inside, Love to the Max with good speed, too. These two go 1-2 down the back stretch. In between them, Magical Dreamers right up and on the pace, racing in third by 2. Piano Man Ted comes out running in fourth by another 3 to Tycoon Cat, who's about 7 or 8 lengths off the lead early on here. Another 2 from there to P.L. Henry and a big break back for Funston, who did not have the best of beginnings. A quick quarter in 22 seconds flat. Love to the Max onto the far turn with a 2-length lead. Trippy Secret giving chase at a second by another 3 to Magical Dreamers back in third. Piano Man Ted starting to make some progress on the outside. Fourth, still a lot of ground to make up. Another 3 from there to Tycoon Cat, who's about 10 lengths behind and less than 2 furlongs to go. And Love to the Max to catch. They're off the turn. Love to the Max in front, pulling away from Trippy Secret, who's left behind in second. Farther back, Piano Man Ted and Tycoon Cat. Down to the final 16th now. Love to the Max has got a 5-length lead. Here comes Tycoon Cat. Flying finish on the outside. Paco Lopez, Tycoon Cat. Paco Lopez sizzling at the shore. A record-setting 7th victory on the day in the nick of time. Love to the Max was second. Farther back, Trippy Secret or P.L. Henry. Number 1, Tycoon Cat first. Number 4, Love to the Max was second. Number 8, Trippy Secret third. And number 9, P.L. Henry was fourth. Into the winner's circle, Tycoon Cat, a 6-year-old son of Belong to Me from Valentine Kisses by Candy Stripes, owned by Drawing Away Stable, trained by David Jacobson. The jockey, Paco Lopez, won 7 races today. That is a track record. And once again, Paco Lopez with 7 wins on today's card.